What dost thou haveth? What dost thou haveth? It is. The sun is beginning to come out. All right, let's try this one more time. Is it? Yes. It is a shorty striper. Let's see if we can bring this dude up. I'm standing on the edge here of a dam. And this is very problematic here. Let me see if I can bring this guy up. He's kind of heavy. Now, this is not what I imagined I'd be doing today, but yes, here he is. Nice little striped bass. Let's even get a good picture of him. He's off the hook. So I took a chance this morning. See if I can get a nice picture of him. He is, how many hands? 1, 2, almost 3. He's about 20 inches. Let's see if I can get a pic of him. Caught him off a spoon. That's striped bass. So I think what they're doing is I think they are at the bottom of this dam here. I'm gonna try for one more. Throw this dude back in. He's not legal, but he is a nice fish. So you might ask yourself, why did I not go down by the base of these rocks? So this morning, I could not see my hand in front of me. It is heading toward the end of high tide, but I'm gonna take another shot here and see if maybe there's a few more. I caught one about 20 minutes ago, and I got a feeling there might be more. I think I know where they might be hanging out at. Might be another one, dude. What dost thou haveth? What dost thou haveth? It is the infamous gizzard shad. There's only one way of getting rid of a gizzard shad when you snag it. Like that. I'm surprised they're back. Hey, dude. Good morning, Mr. Heron. So what am I using? I'm using my presidential fluger reel, my IM8 graphite. It is a medium heavy action, 6.6 rod. I've got 12 pound, I think it's 12 pound, the heavy strength Berkeley monofilament, and I've got a 1/4 ounce flutter spoon I was using. So I hooked one this morning. It was dark as sin, I couldn't see anything. I did see its side, and I can confirm the fact it was a striper, and I caught that other one and a couple gizzard shad. So if I don't catch anything, this will probably be the end of this video, but I'm gonna try to come back later on, maybe put out some more footage for you guys. If you please. I love fishing. I love making videos. Whoa. Wait a minute. Is this not the end of the video? Could this be not the end of the video? I don't know. I'm feeling a definitive head shake. It's another striper. Holy free holy. Well, it's not the end of the video. And you know what I brought this time that I have not brought with me in the past? It's another shorty. It's another shorty striper. I did bring the net this time. Let's move some of this crap out of the way. Let's get a good pic of him. We caught him right on the lip. He is a little smaller than the other one. Got my striper. A striper nonetheless. Nonetheless. He is a little sore. He's banged up, man. He is banged up. I'm gonna get another, we can get another pick. That is not me that banged him up. There are probably a lot more by the base of this dam. So, yeah, man. Dude, I'll let you back in if you stop swinging. So, another striper. It was not the end of the video. How about that? So I just changed my spoon over to this lipless crankbait. Some people call them rattle traps. It's got that little bead in there. This is my last ditch effort. Just changed my battery. And over there on them rocks over there, you see that right there? I just pooped. You'll never know, will you? No, I'm kidding. Sometimes when the fish don't bite, you have to change your lures around. So I was using a jig with a hair tail at the end of it. We were using that jigging spoon, and now we're going to switch over to this rattle trap. This rattle trap does work. Unfortunately, it is a little snag happy, so might want to kiss this lure goodbye, but I'm going to give it a shot. So try this. So, rattle traps work. Let me net this guy. He's hooked on his nose. Rattle trap, little schooly striper. Oh my goodness. Oh my gracious. Great balls of fire. I'm gonna owe a lot of the success today, like I said, to the hurricane. It's always nice to come out. I'm trying to find out where the rattle trap went. Just threw himself. Man, that was a really slow bite. Slow bite. Let's get a good look at this dude. I'm gonna say, I don't know, rather skinny looking striper, but a striper nonetheless. Rattle traps work. How about that? So these guys are still bunked up here. Look at that. Another little schooly striper. Wow, he is beat. Perhaps the hurricane, and really skinny. So I'm gonna let him go back in and grab himself a meal. So what did I do? I switched my lure around, like common sense tells us. So whenever you're sitting there fishing and it's not working, switch up. Really can't help it all. If you're not catching fish and there are no fish there, it's not going to hurt switching the lure around. So, wow, impressive. The early bird caught the striper today. Fun video. Caught 3 stripers, 1 or 2 gizzard shad, local knowledge, the right time, and as storms roll through, storms can be a plus, especially if you're a fisherman. Whether it's a nor'eastern or a hurricane, I know bad things happen to people during hurricanes, but sometimes you catch some fish. So, and don't forget, please bring a big net. It's one of my big failings sometimes. If you can, please like, subscribe. More to come. I love to fish. If you love to fish, hey, let's do some fishing.